Hi guys, so today it is Friday, September 21st, 2018. Some things never change about me guys over the years. I'm always so stupid about the dates. And so today we are having breakfast at the Sauce Queen's house. And so, did you say you were gonna do a video about it soon? Because we are having some egg burritos and it is her homemade the tortilla wraps. Like, apparently the Sauce Queen knows how to do her own tortilla wraps, which I'm like a lazy bitch. Like, I probably won't ever try to attempt. And so to make it an Americano breakfast edition, gonna have my cherry Coke for breakfast. And then the Pepsi, they have the cherry, but they sometimes have it regularly and they sometimes don't. But the Pepsi cherry is not as good though, hey?
Yeah, that's true.
Like you're a Coca-Cola girl too, right?
Uh-huh.
What was that noise?
Really? Oh my god.
I'm really gonna have to edit that out.
Yeah, you are.
That's a whole good too.
You're like, what was that noise? Oh god.
Maybe it's that pizza you guys had last night.
Jesus. I'm sorry. Go ahead. Continue.
Yeah, so far for this holiday, it's like a spur of the... Like he does not want to, like the Sauce Queen's husband does not want to show up on videos, but he wants to show up with some sound effects.
Apparently.
Yeah, and so...
Oh my god. There's 2 edits out now. Okay.
No, so this breakfast, it kind of reminds me when me and my ex used to go on our vacations that we did because before we stayed in the timeshare hotels and they are like with the full kitchen and some partial stuff they include for the kitchen, right? And so when we do our Disney things, because we save money, right? And so we would be making breakfast at the resort. Like we go to the Walmart or the Target nearby and we buy some cheap eggs and milk. And then we have breakfast at the resort. And then we just have our other food throughout the day, right, Sauce Queen?
Mm-hmm.
That's the way to save money. And so, yeah. After that little bit of interruptions. So happy Friday. How you guys doing for Friday? I cannot believe the week has gone by so fast.
I know. It seems like you just got here, huh?
I know. And like right when I getting used to the... Because you know when... over the years, the last few times when we go to the Disney, the Orlando area, because like, you know, every time when you go to a place for vacation, right, you get used to the area and the way the place feels like, the layout of the place and stuff like that. And then by the time you get used to this area, the vacation is done already, right? And then it's like like everywhere I go for vacation, I don't know if you guys do that. It's like I imagine myself. It's like, could I imagine myself living here? Stuff like that. Well, with all the eye candies available, hell yes. Where was your husband going? So today we are gonna be doing, because the Sauce Queen slept in today, so she's a bit sleepy today.
A lazy bitch.
So that is why you're not seeing her face today. But boy, talking about my face, I don't know if it's the Texas air or something or environment that is doing it to my face or something, but the last few videos, if you guys notice my videos that are done in Texas, like I do not know if it's the HD quality of the camera or something, but my face, it looks like it's glowing, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think it's just your the awesome camera you have on your phone.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I am so surprised when I discovered this because I thought for the Sauce Queen, I thought it was the Sauce Queen that ran her own YouTube channel all this time. And then so apparently, surprisingly, her husband doesn't want to do anything with the YouTube and doesn't want to be on camera. But apparently he does all the computer stuff in the background, eh?
Yeah, he doesn't want to be in front of the camera. He likes to be behind the camera.
So I saw them do that, like they was going through the old videos and the Sauce Queen got some of the hater comments on some of her videos. And so some of the comments is actually responded by her husband, right?
Yeah, he gets on there and tells them how it is.
Mm-hmm.
I don't respond.
But then as you guys heard, I don't know, should I edit that sound effects out? That's too funny.
It's your channel. You can use it if you want to. You didn't start eating yet, so it wouldn't gross people out, I guess. I don't know.
Like, he does not want to show his face on the camera, but he's providing sound effects.
Yeah, he likes to operate things, but he doesn't like to.
It's like, I guess the Sauce Queen wants to be like me because in the very beginning when I first started my YouTube channel, I kind of relied my ex on the YouTube things as well. Mm-hmm. But right now it's seemingly like I'm so professional, even though my ex is no more around. It's like the programming is like seamlessly continuing, isn't it?
Yours is like 2 seconds. Mine takes hours to upload.
The Sauce Queen is so surprised how low tech and low budget that my productions really is.
Yeah, because you do yours straight from the phone.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Like I tell you guys, if you guys believe me or not, I am totally computer stupid. All the computer education I had from my high school was Windows 97, okay? And back then I was the bratty kind of school kid, Asian school kid, like not representing the Asians. Where you Asians at? I'm not representing Asians. I was a bratty Asian school kid. I fell asleep during computer class. I barely passed the computer class. Okay? So my computer knowledge is just Windows 97, okay? And so today I got a special news for you guys. I want to eat up for a bit because I'm hungry. These are very good tortillas, Sauce Queen.
Thank you.
You really should make a video on how you make them because the ones at the grocery store is starting to really piss me off. I told you the story time about those.
Yeah, some of them come apart really easily. It's annoying.
I know. The only good brand that I buy these days is you guys in the US have that, is the Wonder Bread. They have wraps too. Did you know that?
I never knew that. The Wonder Bread has wraps?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That's interesting.
And those is one of the few wraps that actually does not stick like a bitch.
That's good.
It actually says on the package that they designed to fold easier.
Oh, okay. Have you ever tried them?
Oh yeah, that's the only ones that I buy these days.
Okay.
When I.
Well, that's good.
So today it is, I am only on vacation out of the country for a week, and my last vacation was a cruise ship, and it was on vacation for 15 days, and I feel such like a loser because the 15 days trip on the cruise ship, it took me 10 days to find just the one bunny only. And then so this week, I am here in El Paso for a week, and I got 2 bunnies already. Whoops. So I had the one bunny earlier today, and so I am so glad we are taking a relaxed day today, not a rush, because I am feeling it, you guys. Oh, the eggs came out. Oh, are you calling your husband?
Yeah, I'm trying to tell him to bring something to drink. I think he left his phone here. He didn't answer. He normally always answers. Napkins?
Yes, please. Oh, and so yesterday evening, I guess, it never really clued in for the sauce queen, and I never really mentioned it, and she probably did not know I was interested in it, and so, like I said, her older daughter is in the cheerleading in school, and her older son is in the school football team. And so, apparently they had a game. Was it a game yesterday?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And so I'm like, in Canada, we do have football, the American football, we do have that, but it's just not as big. And on the school level, it's totally not the same big as well. It's like I would have totally liked to see what the American football looks like at the school for the football game. I would have totally liked to go. But I never really mentioned that to you before, have I?
No, you didn't. We were going to go, but I totally forgot. And she didn't let me know. Normally she called me, she didn't.
Oh, yeah? Maybe your older daughter was scared that I was going to be going there.
No. She would have loved it.
Gonna be picking up all the football players. It's like,
Are you even taking her boyfriend?
does she have a boyfriend?
No.
Oh.
She has her.
And then the next day the school is wondering why half the boys are missing. Like,
That's so funny.
Maybe your daughter is scared to mention it to me.
Oh, Maple Life. My husband just brought me pumpkin spice coffee.
Oh. You know, I'm very tempted, but I don't damn myself to drink coffee, no. You want me to be alive on the plane tomorrow night so I don't run to the party all the time on the plane? Man, it's like, talking about the airplane, the American Airlines, is like the... Because I got the one flight and the one connection flight, right? And both of the airplanes were so small. They're like the left and right of the aisles is the 2 seat and the 2 seats. And the way the airplane is designed is like the baggage for the carry-on baggage over top. It's so low, and on the way to El Paso, the flight attendant girl was a little bit taller, and that poor girl, everything she had to do to serve the customers the drinks, she had to like swoop down her neck every time when she's like serving the customers. I felt so sorry for that lady. Those airplanes are so small, it's unbelievable. Like, I think for me, at my height, I am just a normal height. I'm not like too tall or too short. Even it's like, it's really terrible for me. Oh, sauce cream. Remind me to do the laundry tonight.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And also because I at least travel once a year usually, right? Because usually the way the airplanes work, the flight attendants, they have the one flight attendant serving the business class, and the other 2 flight attendants, they serving the rest of the cabin. But this time with American Airlines, like, I do not know if they're cutting staff or something, but there was only the 2 flight attendants only, and there was just the 1 person up in the business class, and the other attendant serves the rest of the flight. Crazy. Like, there is usually the 2 flight attendants to serve the rest of the cabin, right? Cherry Coke is so good. Alright guys, so breakfast burrito is done, and I got 2 more videos to do, and so yep. Boy, the time for this vacation is going fast, and it's like so sad. And in the next 24 hours, I'm gonna be back home already. And so thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. Don't forget to check out all my other older videos on my playlist on my channel, and I will see you in the next one.